Hello, Yuda. Recently, I was reading this book. It's called The Myth of Sisyphus. It was written by Albert Camus. Camus was raised by a single mother. They had no luxury. Basically, they lived in like one small way. But still, Camus went on to become this great philosopher, great writer. He even won a Nobel Prize. There's this interesting line which was in the book. It read as one must imagine Sisyphus happy. Sisyphus is a character in Greek mythology. The special thing about him was that Sisyphus was a king who cheated death twice in his life. And since he cheated death, the Greek gods decided to punish him. And they gave him this punishment where there's this huge boulder that he needs to carry from like bottom of the hill to the top. And then the boulder would roll down, and then he again has to push the boulder up the hill, and he has to do this for eternity. He was condemned this punishment, right? Camus related this idea of Sisyphus, the myth of Sisyphus, to our daily lives. We are doing the same thing which Sisyphus did. We wake up, we go to our jobs, we do the work, we pursue our goals, considering that all of it has some grand meaning, a coping mechanism for us as humans to deal with the uncertainty of life. Instead of falling into despair, Camus had this another view of looking at it. Sisyphus was completely aware of his struggle. Sisyphus knew even if he is pushing the boulder up the hill, the next day he has to do it again and again and again. Sisyphus was aware of his struggles. Instead of just relying upon this illusion that our life has some meaning, finding happiness in the struggle of it. That is what I thought like I would share with you all. What do you think about this philosophy? It's really an interesting take on life. And I highly recommend this book, The Myth of Sisyphus.